In the last video, we saw comparative analysis between two stocks, which will help us gauge which is the strongest stock. And to select the strongest stock, we need to know about our Indian indices and all the stocks present in and their behavior. So in this video, we will look at a brief look at what all are the Indian indices in NSE stocks. That's basically in NSE we have around 2000 companies. In the 2000 companies, around 1850 are actively traded. So in that we need to eliminate the last 800 to 1000 bits, because those would be mostly penny stocks and there would not be a lot of trading activity. Only operators would be trading, and if you have the holding capacity and if you just want to operate it, or if you want to just have a very small percentage in it, you can trade in it, or else we need to look at the first 750. So how this first 750 is classified is, the first 100 is called Nifty 100. That's basically Nifty 50 and next 50 or junior Nifty is the first 100. That is like Nifty 100, that is mostly of large caps. Then comes the mid cap, then comes small cap, then comes micro cap. So totally this large, mid, small and micro together are 750 companies. You need to know about each of these constituents. So when we look at just Nifty and types of Nifty companies, this is called broad market indices. That's basically broad market where the big money is going in, where the big money is going down. Again, we do the same comparative analysis in Nifty 100, Nifty mid cap, Nifty small cap or Nifty micro cap to gauge which is stronger. So once we gauge it, we can then look at the other indices. That's basically, we have other two major indices which we should be concentrating on: thematic indices and sectorial indices. Sectorial indices are like, if you are bullish or if you are looking for Nifty auto stocks and their universe, how they are performing, you can look at Nifty auto. If you are interested in IT, you can go and look at Nifty IT. Or if you want to look at banking industry, Nifty banks. Likewise, FMCG, commodities, metals, we have around 21 sectorial indices. And also there is another thing, that's basically if you want to just play EV role or something on lines of this, then you need to look at the thematic indices. So basically depends upon your choice. You need to actually gauge to all this. Once you start looking at indices, that's like broad market indices and this 21 indices, this should be your daily activity. If you are not a daily person, you can even look at this particular indices very quickly, maybe around 10-15 minutes in your weekends, and you will actually know where exactly the money is getting in and getting out. So this plays a very important role.